This news is brought to you by... Are you experiencing body weakness? Do you have delayed wound healing? Do you feel hungry all the time? You may have diabetes. A powerful duo to help diabetic. Natural way of lowering blood sugar level. Clinica DTX 500 is a powerful duo that combines of ampalaya extract and the sugarcane extract. Clinica DTX 500 stimulates the production of insulin, enhance conversion to energy.
Ginkilala bilang top 1 performing city mayor sa rehiyon sa East, si Iloilo City Mayor Treñas sa ginpatigan ng RP Mission and Development Foundation Incorporated nationwide survey. Kaupo ni Treñas nga nag-top 1 sa among survey si Bacolod City Mayor Albi Benitez, kaginsunda naman sang 13 kaiban pa nga mga alkalde. Base sa survey, sulod sa top 13 lists sang top performing mayor sa Western Visayas, Sanday Rojas City Mayor Ronnie Dadivas, Victoria City Mayor Jave Benitez, Escalante City Mayor Beboy Yap Jr., Sipalay City Mayor Maria Gina Lizares, Kabangkalan City Mayor Benji Miranda, La Carlota City Mayor Rex Halandoon, Capiz City Mayor Salvador Escalante Jr., Talisay City Mayor Niel Lizares, Himamaylan City Mayor Raymond Tongson, San Carlos City Mayor Rene Gustilo, Pasig City Mayor Stephen Palmares, Bagos City Mayor Nicolas Yolo, Silay City Mayor Jodeth Gallego, kag Sagay City Mayor Narciso Harvelosa Jr. Kindayo naman kaginpabugal sa mga Ilonggo si Treñas, gayaman gilayon nga ginpasalamatan. Report nagikan sa Iloilo City Hall. Ini si Kabanderang Alex Escalante, nagabandera sang matutod nga serbisyo publiko kag kalingawan sa Iloilo. Radyo Bandera